Hey, to turn off Google Chrome notifications, all you have to do is just to click on this three dots in the right upper corner, click on it with the left mouse button, and then go into the settings. And now when you click on the search settings, just input notifications phrase. And now from here, go into the site settings. And right now, select permissions, go into the notifications and select don't allow sites to send notifications. As you can see, that's quite simple. Also, if you are using the Windows 11 and you still have some notifications, click on the start, go to the settings. Now, from here, you will have to actually click on the notifications. So go into turn up notifications on and off. And from here, you can actually click and turn off all Google Chrome notifications on the Windows 11. And as you can see, that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.